Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make homemade wax. We're going to be using 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. And what we're going to do first is we're going to put our pan on the fire. After putting the pan on fire, you pour your 1 cup of sugar, you pour your 1/4 cup of water and stir it a little bit. Then the next thing you do is to pour your 1/4 cup of lemon juice and continue to stir for a bit, and then you allow to boil. Our mixture is already boiling. All you do is continue to stir so that it doesn't get burned, and we wait until it turns golden brown, just like this. Now what you do is you pour it into a little bowl of water. This is just to check if your wax is ready. Once it freezes up in the water, that means your wax is ready. So you pour it into another bowl, a clean bowl, and you transfer that bowl into a bigger bowl that has cold water, preferably with ice, so that it helps it to cool down. You can't put a hot wax on your body, you get burnt. So what we're doing here is we'll continue stirring. You can see it's getting thicker. Don't stop stirring. Now the mixture is quite thick, it's almost ready, but make sure you check to see if it is still hot before you put it on your hand. Now what you do is you take it and you begin to knead it until it smoothens out and you get this beautiful golden honey color. When your wax is ready, you put a little bit of powder on your underarm, you apply your wax on the affected area. You use a homemade strip from any old clothes in your house, or you can also buy the waxing strip. Now what you do is you make sure you smoothen the strip out and then you pull upwards. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.